Are you redecorating? Let's see. Wow, it looks so nice, eh? What are you doing, you little cutie pie? Huh? Nice. What are you so excited about? Here comes Coco Cottontail hopping down the... What trail? The bunny trail. Hippity hoppity, Coco's on her way. Look at the three of you. Here comes Coco Cottontail hopping down the bunny trail.
Between two pieces of toast. Then serve it on a plate.
Oh, sorry, Izzy. Sorry, Iz.
Pick up a plate. Breakfast is right around the corner. One toasty slice of bacon. Down, down goes the bread. Did you see it go down? Round. Toast for breakfast. Yellow. The egg is white and yellow. Dark toast is red. The bacon slices are red. One egg. Let's make a sandwich. Serve one egg. In between two pieces of toast. Use the fork to eat the egg. Pick up a plate. Up, up, pops the toast. Did you see it pop up? Dark toast. Press the orange handle to pop up the toast. Out, wake up, wiggle your toes. The toast pops up. The crows. Breakfast time is coming your way. So open up your eyes and greet a brand new day.
Did you just say Coco, Newman? Here comes Coco Cottontail hopping down the Cockatoo trail. Hippity hoppity, Easter's on its way. We need a song. We need words for this song. Here comes Coco Cottontail hopping down. If this is Button Boulevard and this is Kitchen Ave, what should this be? Look, it's having a rough time, eh, Cook? What are you doing, sweetie? You coming to say hi or you coming to bite me?
Ah!
Hi.